What is up, guys? It's your boy Falcon, and today we have a little bit of a different video. Today I just want to say thank you. Over the past weekend I reached 4,000 subscribers, which is a lot for me. I've had this channel for 5 years. I started this channel back in 2013 and I didn't post my first video until 2014. When I first started this channel, I wanted to be a channel about everything that I liked, which is, I love playing games, video games. I'm also a gamer and I love working on cars. So I figured it would be so cool to have a channel where gamers and car guys can meet up and we can just talk about cars and games all together. So I posted my first video a year after I started my channel, which is this one right here. And that video is basically just I took apart a AC compressor because I was curious to see what was inside the compressor, how it worked. So I just took it apart and kind of show it how it worked on the inside. And then after that, I did a couple of car repair videos, and then I posted my first gaming video, which was this, which I think it was Clash of Clans that I posted first. I saw you guys maybe didn't like it that much either way, but either way, back in these days, I had less than 100 subscribers. At 100 subscribers, that's the first video that I ever showed my face, which was this one right here.
So what's
which
up?
that
I'm
one
Falcon.
was a year after I posted my first ever video. So it took me a whole year to get to 100 subscribers, which I was so impressed. I felt like I was actually talking to somebody on the other side and not just talking to myself, making videos for myself for the future. And then 1 year after posting my thank you for 100 subscribers video, I reached 2,000 subscribers, and that was this video right here.
Just to thank you guys. This past weekend I hit 2,000
That was
subscribers.
my 2,000 subscriber thank you video. So now, a year after that 2,000 subscriber video, I reached 4,000 subscribers. Right now, I have 4,000 subscribers. I have over 2 million views on the channel altogether, which means not everybody that watches my videos subscribes, which is fine. I mean, I used to do the same thing. When I would go, I would just kind of search what I wanted to see, got the information that I needed, and I would just click off of it, which is amazing. I love helping people out. I love answering you guys' questions on the comment section. Just remember, guys, at any video, if you ever have questions, whether it's from that video on that particular car or any other car, just post it down in the comment section and I will get to it as soon as I can. And even if I don't, there's a lot of people in the comment section that help each other out, which is amazing. Well, that is it. I just wanted to say thank you. Thank you for 4,000 subscribers. Like I said, I've been in this channel for 5 years. And it's just amazing. I love the interaction with you guys. I love answering you guys' questions. I love helping you guys. And yes, that is the same beanie from my 100 subscriber special. So it still is. It lasted this long. I think I've had this one for like 5-6 years. And it still fits me. Now it's a little bit tighter, but it still fits me. Anyways, all right, guys. Well, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you for sharing the channel. Thank you for watching my videos. And I really hope that I was helpful to some of you guys. All right, guys. Well, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell for me, share the channel. I will catch you guys on my next video. Thank you for watching, and you guys have yourselves a great day.